An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. A powerful quote by Benjamin Franklin that underscores the importance of financial education. It's a universal truth that understanding the principles of money management can make a world of difference in anyone's life. Firstly, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book has been a catalyst for many challenging traditional beliefs about money and providing insights into building wealth. One reader said, "Kiyosaki's book changed my perspective on finance. It's become my financial Bible." Next, we have The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. This practical guide to escaping debt and mastering finances has proven its worth. As one satisfied reader put it, Ramsey's book saved me from a lifetime of financial stress. His advice is straightforward and effective. Then there's The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. A touchstone for investors worldwide, this book delivers principles for investing wisely. A dedicated reader shared, "Graham's book is a must-read. It's guided my investment strategy and helped me create a profitable portfolio." Moving on to Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This book investigates the mindset of successful individuals, focusing on financial success. One reader claimed, "Hill's book has been a game changer. It's not just about money, it's about personal growth and success." The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason is another gem. It offers timeless financial advice through parables set in ancient Babylon. A reader testified, "Clason's book is a treasure trove of financial wisdom. It's simple, yet profound." Next on the list is I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. A comprehensive guide to personal finance, it covers everything from budgeting to investing. One reader revealed, "Sethi's book has been a roadmap to financial freedom for me. It's practical and relatable." Your Money or Your Life by Vicki and Joe Dominguez is a transformative piece that encourages readers to redefine their relationship with money. One reader said, "This book has helped me align my spending with my values. It's been a life changer." Lastly, The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. A study of the habits of millionaires, it offers insights into wealth creation. A reader shared, "Stanley and Danko's book has opened my eyes. Wealth is not about extravagance, but about smart investing and frugality." These books are more than just pages filled with words. They're manuals for financial literacy and tools for achieving financial goals. But remember, the journey doesn't end here. Stay tuned for future videos where we will delve deeper into the concepts discussed in these books. We will dissect and discuss, shedding light on the most powerful principles and how they can be applied in everyday life. Knowledge is power, and when it comes to finances, it's also wealth. So keep learning, keep growing, and keep moving towards financial independence.